I used to have long nails, and everybody knows me from my nails. Everybody knows Irma has long nails. So I was at a function at the Jeff Seymour school, and we were collecting books for the kids. I went to pick up some books, and Jerry Velasco showed up, and there was parents there, and I was so offended what he told the parents, because the parents were telling me, oh, you have such beautiful nails, they're really pretty. I go, say thank you. And Jerry Velasco just plainly said, how does she clean herself? How does she clean her pussy? I was like, what the heck? I was in total shock, you know. And how does he rub her husband's balls? He must like her husband's balls, and he must love that he scratches his back. I was in total shock. I was disgusted by what he had told the parent. I was more ashamed of what he said to the parent. I was so upset. I left, and I literally left crying. I consider that sexual harassment, and I did file a complaint against him. Nothing came about that complaint. Andre Quintero, like always, you know, protecting Jerry Velasco in every which way he can. I know there was another allegation of complaint of sexual harassment on a gentleman that worked for the city. People are afraid of Jerry Velasco because he's a man of a lot of power. He knows people in the politics like Hilda Solis and Dolores Huerta. So he's a very powerful man, and Andre Quintero protects him all the time.